Is your home's siding looking worn out, faded, or damaged? At RSG Elite Roofing, we specialize in professional siding installation and replacement that not only improves the look of your home, but also adds long lasting protection and value. Quality siding helps shield your property from harsh weather, moisture, and energy loss. If you're noticing cracks, warping, or high energy bills, it may be time to upgrade your siding. Our team uses durable, high quality materials designed to enhance curb appeal while keeping your home efficient and protected year round. We focus on clean, precise installation and treat every home like it's our own because details matter. Don't let old or damaged siding affect your home's appearance and performance. Contact RSG Elite Roofing today for a free estimate and transform your home with siding that lasts. Call us now at 877-774-3548 or visit rsgalitaroofing.com.